We are on our way to Aphrodite Hills, Paphos. We gathered all here today from school, class of B.
Still in bed at 10 and work again at 8. You burned your breakfast so far, things are going great.
Tour on the Aphrodite Hills. Golf.
But she didn't tell you when the world was brought down to your knees that I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to fall, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before, I'll be there for you.
Hello. We gathered here from the Lyceum of B class of Agios Neophitos, Paphos, and we're here to talk about friendship in our lives.
Since you're the only one who knows what it's like to be me.
Hello everybody, where are you from?
Hello, I'm Christina and I'm from South Africa.
Ciao, io sono Teodora, sono italiana. Γεια σας, είμαι η Γεωργία και είμαι από Κύπρο.
Salut, je m'appelle Hélène et je viens de France.
Γεια σας, είμαι η Ραφαέλα και είμαι από την Κύπρο. Hallo, ich heiße Jana und ich komme aus Austria. Γεια σας, είμαι η Σκεύη και είμαι από την Κύπρο.
Hello, my name is Helen and I come from England.
Hello, my name is Lucas and I'm from England.
It's like you're always stuck in second gear when it hasn't been your day.
So, what is friendship to you?
It's a process of give and take.
Friendship is full of faith. It's full of laughter.
It's full of tears.
Friendship is full of courage. Trust and care. It's when you know someone and understand.
Friendship is sharing your secrets.
Friendship is full of livelihood.
So, what are you doing now?
We are forming magnetic elbows.
And what's the purpose of this?
To share our ideas and to show that we have good bondage.
Very good. Good idea. All right, guys. So, what strategies should teachers and students use to eliminate inequality in school? Okay, let me help you. Teachers should encourage students to excel in their schoolwork, excel academically, and should encourage them to have optimism, to show that they can do things regardless if they didn't do well in an exam. And also, teachers should perceive students as special individuals regardless their background. In the meantime, teachers should respect students and they should show this with their behavior so students can emulate from them in their daily interactions. What about you students? What do you think should students do to eliminate inequality?
Cooperation, working with others as a team.
I think that they have to have determination so that others can count on them.
We should have friendliness, being interactive in other people. Students should have respect and treat others with courtesy and consideration.
Compassion, knowing that someone needs the help, offer the help.
I think students need compassion, knowing that someone needs help and wanting to help them.
Hello, Skevi. I would like to ask you, what impact has this project, Friendship Eradicates Inequality, left on you?
This project gave me the opportunity to learn new things, such as making a newspaper online and editing the video. In addition, I make new friends with a student of my school that I even know. I dine out with my teacher and my friends, and it's very important to see the teacher night and be friend with him.
Do you mean outside the classroom?
Yes.
Is that important, do you think?
Yes, because I don't see the teacher such as the policeman that I don't have to do something but to get a mark. The teacher is my friend and I can get advice from him. and knowledge. Also, I have the chance to make new things, such being Aphrodite Hills today, and see how she play golf and how it's work.
Do you think teamwork is important in friendship?
Teamwork is essential for friendship.
Why? Why is that?
If you can work with someone, you have cooperation, you can be friendly, you can make a lot of things because you are not alone. You can do extremely.
Because working by yourself is one thing, but working with other people really makes a difference, right?
Yes.
Interesting. Very nice. Oh, hello guys. Oh, hello. So we say
Friendship eradicates inequality.